Hello. I want to show you how you can turn a bag like this, which is rated for -6, into a extreme cold weather bag. I'm going to be testing this tonight. This is the Outdoor Vitals 20 Fahrenheit -6 Celsius bag. And tonight's supposed to be -12 Celsius with wind chills down to -20 Celsius. So this here is not rated for these temperatures. So I've got to try to improve the insulation value of this bag so I'll be able to sleep comfortable tonight. So bags, when they're rated, is usually for extreme use of the bag. If it says -6, myself to sleep comfortably, I have to add 5 degrees to that. So this one here would be a -1 or a 0 degree sleeping bag. That's where I'm going to sleep comfortable in this bag. The temperatures are going to far exceed that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another bag inside this one. The military bags have done this for years. They've added a lower temperature bag, 2 of them together, to get that extreme cold temperatures that they're rated for. This one is a 0 degree bag, and this one's a -6. But this one sleeps comfortable at 5 plus 5 Celsius, and this one at 0 Celsius. Now putting these together, we're going to see what I get down to tonight. I'm going to have a thermometer, and how I'm going to test this is when I start to feel cool, I wake up because I'm cool. That's the temperature I'm going to look at and see what temperature that is and how far I can go before I get cool. Because when I start to get cool, I'm going to wake up. And that's going to tell me what these will be rated at together. Now, the military sleep system that I have, I've used one bag and it is good for 0 Celsius. So the 2 bags together, I've been in -30. But with one, it's only 0. So it'll be interesting to see if I can get down to those -12 and wind chill of -20. So I've got the 2 bags out there now, and I have this one opened up. And I can take my other bag and slide right in there. Now this one is actually, the zipper's on the right hand side. So what I can do if I want to is I can flip it over like this and put it upside down in here. It'll still work fine. I can fold this down and it'll be no problem. That's what I think I can do. Or if I wanted to, I could always get in there and zip it up on the opposite side, but it's more work getting in and out. So I can just take this bag, I'm going to slip it right in to the bottom. Like I said, I'm going to put it upside down. And then I'll just get in like that. Like I said, I can just fold that hood down and it's not going to be a problem. It's actually going to be laying over my chest. It's going to add a little bit more heat. But that's how simple it is. And that's going to really increase the performance of these bags. Taking 2 of the cooler bags and adding them together can give you an extreme cold weather setup. So right now it's 7:15 and it's already reached the -6 Celsius level. Now that is the extreme rating of the Outdoor Vitals bag, and right now I would need more to have a comfortable night's sleep. That's why I added that 0 degree bag. And I also brought another bag with me that's rated for -50 at the extreme level and -20 for comfort sleep. I've used it -30 and been fine. And I brought that for backup because I'm out here testing this system, and you always have to have a safe way of testing, especially since I'm out in the woods. Right now it's -10 and I'm about to get in bed. So what I had to do was turn my sleeping bag around. So my zipper is actually on the other side because this is my head end. But I'm going to be sleeping in my hoodie and my insulated pants here. I could take them off, but they're dry. So I'm just going to sleep in those. But what I have to do is get in here, zip up the outside one first, and then go and zip up the inside one. Now this part here, like I said, I can put that down in front of me. Zip up my outer bag first. There we go. I had to find the zipper. Now if I want to cinch this up some, I can cinch it up as well. I'll keep you posted.
So I've been asleep for about an hour or so. I just woke up, so I wanted to check that. And I'm not sure if you can see that. But we're at the -12 there now. And I'm toasty. Right now we're at -17, 0 Fahrenheit. And it's 5:47 in the morning. Well, it's 7:15, and she's still -17, 0 Fahrenheit. And sun should be coming up soon. See a little bit of light out through there. It's 18 now, just below the 0 for this morning.
So that there got a lot colder than it was supposed to last night. Right now it's hovering at -19 to -20 Celsius. So it's just below 0 Fahrenheit. And inside both those bags, I was warm. Now, we had a lot of wind last night as well. With that wind, it made it a lot lower wind chill as well. And I noticed that my shoulders started to get cool because I didn't cinch it right up, because I don't like being that confined in a bag to cinch it right up. So my shoulders were cool, so I threw on one jacket and then I was fine. My feet didn't get cold. I was good all night. I ended up the portion, the hood part of the 0 degree bag, I would throw that over my face because the wind blowing across my face was just, it was cold. And I threw that over top, and then that actually, the wind was still blowing through a fair bit through that 0 degree bag. With the Outdoor Vitals bag on the top, it was not coming through those two bags. So my whole body was warm. My face was a little cool last night, but other than that, I far exceeded the temperature ratings for those. comfort level for the Outdoor Vitals bags right around 0. The other bag is around +5. But together, I was able to stay in -17 temperatures out here, 0 Fahrenheit, with both those bags. So taking these 2 bags like this, these are the bags I had. You can use what bags you have, and all bags are different. People sleep different, so I can't tell you that. I can't tell you the names and brands of these bags and tell you you're going to get -17 out of them, because you may sleep hotter or colder than me, and so on. So that all takes into factor. If you're going to do this, you'll have to test your own bags, what you have. But this here at least proves that you can get a higher temperature rating by adding 2 bags together. Now, if you do this, do it safely like I had, and hopefully this may be able to get you out there doing some cold weather camping, but save you some money, because you may have 2 cooler bags that you can put together and make it into an extreme cold bag. Thanks for watching. Take care. All the best.